Hey there, good evening. Mike here with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. Does your insurance company cover AC leaks? I get this question posed on me quite a bit. So what's the answer? Well, they do and they don't. Let's take a look at a scenario and hopefully this clarifies things. So you have a leak that backs up, maybe your line's clogged. A lot of it depends on where your AC unit, your handler, is located. If it's in the garage, more than likely it probably won't do much damage unless we're talking about somewhere the line or the water overfills and it can come seeping into the house. All right. If that's the case, you may have coverage, and it definitely may be something where some of the things that were damaged can get covered by the insurance company. If you have a unit inside a closet, it leaks, there's some backup, something happened, you have to get it fixed. AC guy comes out, the pan is clogged up and water overflowing, and it seeps through various walls in the closet, and maybe that wall is connected to the bathroom or bedroom, baseboards. Yes, you do have a claim, and that could be pretty substantial, because if you're talking about walls and mold and having to knock stuff down, that could be substantial. So those type of situations where the interior of your house, condo, etc., townhome is damaged because of an AC leak, you most likely do have a claim to get all that interior damage repaired. Now, with a home, yes. Condos and townhomes, that depends. Condos, let's take a look, because more than likely the condo association is responsible for the walls. Because remember, in the condo association, the walls in are your responsibility normally. Okay, you have to read the bylaws of the condo association. And then for townhomes, that can go either way. So again, depends on the bylaws, depends on what you know is covered, or what maybe you can ask the president or anybody on the board. They may not even know. The association bylaws are the greatest mystery, and nobody really knows when it comes to their specific units what's covered specifically and what's not. So anyhow, let's move on. So here's a scenario where there is no coverage. You have a leak in your AC. You realize your ducts have mold, and you have to get a new unit. Nothing really interior-wise, walls, baseboards, floors, nothing's been damaged. But your AC unit is wrecked, leaked a little bit of water somewhere, your ducts are full of mold. Does the insurance company pay for that? Unfortunately, they do not have a responsibility for your unit and or the ducts. Now, in some situations, the ducts you can claim in a roof damage claim, where possibly there's an opening, it gets into the ducts or on top of the ducts, mold builds up. Depending on how much square footage of your house, 2,000 to 3,000 square foot house, it's probably 2,500 to 3,500 for those ducts to be replaced. We can make the argument, definitely. So in that situation, not for the AC unit and the handler, but more so for the ducts. So that's a little bit when the questions posed. And I get quite a few calls every month on air conditioning leaks. Just an overview of what's covered and what's not covered in your homeowner's, condo, or townhome insurance policy. My name's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. If you have any questions with regard to AC leak, give me a call, direct, or text me 754-252-5438. My email, theclaimsquad@gmail.com. And finally, website, www.theclaimsquad.com. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.